The Ürümqi Metro or Ürümqi Subway is a rapid transit system in operation in Ürümqi, capital of the Xinjiang Autonomous Region in China. The Ürümqi Metro has submitted plans for 7 lines totaling 211.9 kilometers in length with an estimated cost of 31.24 billion yuan. Line 1 has been approved and has been under construction since 20 March 2014. Line 1 runs from Ürümqi Daiwopu Airport through downtown Ürümqi and ends at the southern long-distance bus station. It has a total length of 26.5 kilometers and 21 stations, 16 underground, 5 elevated. The northern section of the line was opened in 25th October 2018, with 16.56 kilometers and 12 stations. Line 2 is being planned to connect Ürümqi's high-speed railway station with the urban center. Line 2 will have 15 elevated stations at a total length of 21.4 kilometers and is planned to open in 2019.